The technology certificates give people a really good, strong, fundamental working experience with a certain software.
The certificate programs are really important to students because it really gives them an opportunity to take an entire software program and apply it to their life.
Tech certificates are important to me because the employers I'm applying to require certification in some of these programs here at the Virtual Design and Construction Institute.
This industry is based on a continuing education. It really helps them learn a trade, but also to kind of understand maybe a different part of the industry they never knew.
You owe it to yourself to learn all the courses. In this industry, you want to be that person that stands out. And I feel like at VDCI, they provide you with that ability to learn as much as you can. And you get that bit of confidence so that when you walk into that interview, you know that, hey, I'm invaluable.
The benefit after taking a technology certificate with us is the ability to apply to jobs that would require them to have an official training. They are able to show their employer that they did earn a professional certificate from VDCI, and then they can apply that to wherever they're going in life.
Continuing education is very important to me because it helps me stay ahead of the curve. And not only does that provide me for success, it provides my clients success.
I hope that when students complete their courses, their training bundles, or their technology certificates, that they walk away feeling confident in their use of the software, that they make some friends in either the online or the on-site classes, and that they stay engaged with us as they continue in their careers.